120 watts of ultra fast charging, 120 Hz of refresh rate, and now finally the third 120 thing is here. 120 times of incredible zoom. Xiaomi is going to break the records with their new coming Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra, the successor to Mi 10 Pro that was also launched this year. Xiaomi will be celebrating their 10th anniversary on 11th of August, and they are most likely to release this Mi 10 Ultra on their anniversary date. Well, we have the first official look of Mi 10 Ultra and some more images leaked for this Mi 10 Ultra and specs as well. So this is our first official look at Mi 10 Ultra. We have that same alignment of cameras as we saw in Mi 10 Pro, but different design. So at the top you can see the king, the 120 times zoom camera. Xiaomi has just did impossible, and before this 120 times zoom we have already seen 100 times zoom on Mi 10 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra as well. But Samsung then finally came to know that it was just a mistake to add 100 times zoom because it was just loss of quality and didn't make any sense. And now in their recently released Note 20 Ultra, they have limited the zoom to just 50 times for better zoom quality. While Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra is having quad camera setup, and that 120 times zoom lens has different design from the rest of three. You can also see the mentioning of 120 times as Samsung did it on their S20 Ultra. This was just, next level advertisement. Unfortunately, we don't have any front side images of Mi 10 Ultra, but Ross Young, who always shares news regarding the upcoming phone's displays, in a reply to Max, he said that it may be the first ever phone to acquire the under display camera. Well, that sounds cool, and we have already seen the prototype of Xiaomi's under display camera smartphone a few years ago, and seems like it's finally here. Now the official box images of Mi 10 Ultra has also been leaked. As you can see, the box seems to be really big. This might be because of some extra gifts into the box. You can imagine the size of box with the hand of that dude. That looks so small in front of this box. So there might be some crazy stuff along with the phone itself in this big box. So as far specifications are concerned, then you can see this poster. I don't really know that if this poster is real or not. It has mentioned that phone will be having the Snapdragon 865 processor. This might be true because Mi 10 Ultra can rock overclocked Snapdragon 865 Note 865 Plus. Along with that, there will also be LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, and Wi-Fi 6. Now talking about the RAM and storage variants, then this phone will be coming with two color variants that have been confirmed via many sources, but this poster shows something different. So Mi 10 Ultra will come in transparent back and ceramic color options. Well, this transparent back thing will be awesome. So the ceramic color variant will be available in 8GB with 256GB storage option and 12GB with 512GB storage, and the transparent variant will come with 16GB with 512GB internal storage, while the second option will be 12GB of RAM with 256GB of internal storage. So that's really awesome. Phone will have 16GB of maximum RAM option, and this was all leaked by a user on Weibo. As you can see the branding down at the right bottom. So we'll see how this phone performs in actual when it will become official. Till that, stay tuned and I'll catch you in the next one.